Hello, I'm Steven Bowman, and for the last 25 years, I've been hands-on with technology, writing software programs, mobile apps, automation, and AI, you name it. I've seen how technology transforms business, unlocking efficiency, new opportunities, and competitive advantages. But I've also seen some disruption. And if you're not adapting to AI, you could be caught off guard. AI isn't a future concept. It's already reshaping industries. It can personalize customer experiences, analyze massive amounts of data, and automate tasks, giving businesses an edge. This is exactly why I partnered with the wonderful team at AI Answer Zone. It's to cut through the noise and to show you how to actually apply AI in ways that make sense for your business. This isn't about hype or fear. It's about understanding AI so that you can make smarter decisions, improve efficiency, and scale without unnecessary complexity. Now is the right time, not because you'll be left behind, but because AI can help you move forward faster and smarter. So let's talk. No pressure, just clarity. Please click below to schedule a free consultation. We'll quickly figure out if AI Answer Zone is the right fit for you, because AI isn't the future of business. It's the future of your business.